Of all of the different career advice that you've ever received, which one has been the most impactful or the most meaningful for you?
The best career advice I ever received, I think it's two things.
Okay.
One is keep moving, keep going to the next thing. And even if it doesn't make sense, like you can't see how it's going to fit in the whole picture, that's okay. Just keep going. The second thing was at certain times in my life when I was making something, having people say, you know what, it doesn't need to be perfect. Just make it and get it out there. It doesn't need to be perfect, which I found incredibly freeing and helped me keep moving. So it was really those two pieces of information. I bring that to my public speaking coaching. I'm not going for perfection. I'm just going for what's the teeniest little step you can take, the next little thing you can grow into, and try that. We're not trying to make you like change your DNA.
Yeah.
We're just trying to take the skills and the natural talents you already have and just try the next thing. So it makes it so much easier to learn and grow. You're not trying to be a totally different person. You're just trying to be a little bit better the next time and a little bit better the next time and a little bit better the next time.
Do you feel as though you found your career, or did your career actually find you?
My path to my career was so circuitous. But one thing I remembered recently is that when I was in my 20s, I actually I met a public speaking coach. And I thought, oh my gosh, what's she doing? That's what I want to do. And I was super excited. And I actually shared that with a much older male colleague at work. Like, I'm so excited about this. I want to do this. And he totally poo-pooed the idea, said, oh, it's really competitive. You don't want to go into that. And so I dropped it. And I went on to do many things. And it took me about, 20 years to find it again. So I guess it found me, or I found it once and lost it and found it again. But when I looked back on my life, I realized that everything I did was adding up to being a public speaking coach. And I'm just so glad that I found it again after trying to find it at one point and then being diverted from the path. And then my husband, who's a scientist, he's a physicist, needed help doing a talk. And he showed it to me and I was like, wow, that's really bad, but I'm going to, but let me help you. And so it happened organically in a funny way until it all started adding up. And I thought, wow, I guess this is a public speaking coach, but it was almost like I found it anew.